Remove characters except digits from string using Python. How can I remove all characters except numbers from string?
Use re.sub, like so. \d matches any non-digit character, so the code above is essentially replacing every non-digit character for the empty string. Or you can use filter, like so, in Python too. Since in Python 3, filter returns an iterator instead of a list, you can use the following instead.
You can use filter. On Python 3.0 you have to join this, kinda ugly, sad face.
Another generator variant.
In Python 2 *, by far the fastest approach is the .translate method. String.makeTrans makes a translation table, a string of length 256, which in this case is the same as .join chr(x) for x in range 256, just faster to make winky face. .translate applies the translation table, which here is irrelevant since all essentially means identity, and deletes characters present in the second argument, the key part. .translate works very differently on Unicode strings and strings in Python 3. I do wish questions specified which major release of Python is of interest. Not quite this simple, not quite this fast, though still quite usable. Back to 2 *, the performance difference is impressive. Speeding things up by 7 to 8 times is hardly peanuts, so the translate method is well worth knowing and using. The other popular non-re approach is 50% slower than re, so the .translate approach beats it by over an order of magnitude. In Python 3 or for Unicode, you need to pass .translate a mapping with ordinals, not characters directly, as keys that returns none for what you want to delete. Here's a convenient way to express this for deletion of everything but a few characters. Also emits 1233344554552. However, putting this in xx.py we have which shows the performance advantage disappears for this kind of deletion tasks and becomes a performance decrease.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.